Are you looking for the best gaming PCs? In this video, we will look at some of the 3 best gaming PCs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MSI Codex R2. Gaming is an inherently expensive hobby, but the MSI Codex R2 lives up to the moniker of a budget PC. It comes in at a decent price as configured, including a roomy case with decent airflow. The system includes an Intel Core i5-14400F processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, neither of which will set the world on fire, but are more than capable for an entry-level system. The fans get loud under load, but this is an acceptable compromise in a relatively affordable desktop that can maintain solid 1080p performance for mainstream gamers and even achieve 1440p performance in some scenarios. Gamers on a budget. The Codex R2 is a fine PC for gamers seeking a capable yet affordable desktop. It's a sweet deal on a 1080p to 1440p gaming desktop that avoids any major pitfalls on the processor, GPU, and storage fronts. It also features a practical case with ample space for upgrades. Family PC shoppers. This tower is well suited for families with gamers at home. If you're buying a PC for the living room that the whole family can use as needed, the Codex makes a lot of sense. It's fast enough for parents who need to be productive and ready for the next Fortnite session. Number 2. Asus TUF Gaming T500. On the outside, the Asus TUF Gaming T500 is already appealing for its compact size. However, it has some surprises under the surface that help it achieve its compact form and affordable price. This desktop runs on a laptop processor. While this has some drawbacks, primarily that you can't upgrade it the way you would a more standard desktop, it makes for an interesting space-saving package. Its Intel Core i7-13620H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T graphics card deliver steady 1080p gaming performance while it runs quietly and efficiently. Budget buyers. This is a unique gaming PC for budget-conscious gamers. The mobile chip is a surprise, but it doesn't hinder the system from achieving reliable 1080p performance when paired with a traditional desktop graphics card. A low starting price and more powerful upgrade options seal the deal. Space-strapped gamers. This desktop is for anyone who needs a small form factor system with whisper-quiet operation. This PC is designed for a plug-and-play gaming experience, so the fact that it runs quietly under load helps narrow down its niches to spaces like college dorms or as a gaming room PC connected to a TV. Number 3. Lenovo Legion Tower 5 Gen 10. You'll find a lot to like about the Lenovo Legion Tower 5 Gen 10. It's powerful for the price, runs quietly, and looks sleek. However, its non-standard design makes future upgrades difficult, but that's just fine for a particular sect of gamers. Many players want a powerful PC now, but they often lack the desire or know how to upgrade parts down the line anyway. If you purchase this system, you will find powerful mid-range performance in a sleek package with minimal fuss and Lenovo's reliable support at the ready and forget-it gamers. The Legion Tower 5 Gen 10 is a fit for gamers who want to plug in their PC and enjoy steady frame rates. The only real downside is its limited upgradability, so if you have no interest in that anyway, this tower is all upside. Robust and well-made, the RTX 5070 bearing model we tested provides an excellent mid-range gaming experience.